Today, I'll show you how to start a successful clothing business from scratch. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos like this on YouTube, but I can confidently tell you that this one will be different. You'll learn how to analyze data and how to choose the best designs based on competition and reviews. The best part is, you don't need design skills, just a computer and an internet connection. I'll guide you through the entire process, from getting ideas to having a product ready for sale. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you search for T-shirt for men on Etsy, you'll clearly see that the competition is very high and it's almost impossible to compete these listings. With that being said, an idea came to my mind. I asked ChatGPT to give me a list of categories for 20 t-shirt design that I could generate through AI and sell on Etsy. I also asked it to give those ideas that are high in demand and low in competition on Etsy. When you will hit enter, it will give you a list of cool 20 ideas. From these generated categories, I will choose cute space explorers. To get more clear idea of my selected category in more detail, I asked ChatGPT to explain each generated idea in more detail. And from there, I got my idea for my t-shirt design, which would be something related to astronauts. After that, I simply went on Etsy and searched for astronauts t-shirts. As you can clearly see on the screen, ChatGPT assisted me well. The competition is very less as compared to previous competition. But what's even more exciting is that many of these listings are consistently making sales and are getting consistent reviews, which means these type of designs are high in demand. People are selling these astronauts t-shirts in many different ways and styles. For example, this seller is selling astronaut book lover reading t-shirt, and this one sell funky spaceman t-shirt, or this one sell skate astronaut t-shirt. You can clearly notice all of them are generating a lot of reviews, so the potential to make money in this category is limitless. To generate t-shirt designs, we would be exploring two AI tools. The first AI tool is called Ideogram AI. This is a free image generation AI tool, where we give it a prompt and it will generate an image for us based on the prompt you will give. The second free tool we would be using is Leonardo AI. In the end, we will also compare the results of both AI tools. Let's explore the Ideogram AI tool first. Head on towards their website and write your prompt. As you know, we are taking this design as reference, so to create something similar, here is my prompt that I wrote in prompt box. Astronaut reading book in space t-shirt, galaxy background, colorful design, 4K resolution. Remember, you have to choose from the styles given below. I will go with conceptual art plus vibrant style. Once you hit enter, it will take some time to generate designs on screen. You can clearly see on the screen, the designs it created are pretty awesome, right? But there is one problem: these designs are pretty much in low quality. So to upscale the design, simply visit the website in the link given below. Upload your design and upscale it up to 4K resolution. After upscaling, this is how my result came out. On the right-hand side we have our 4K image, and you can clearly notice a huge difference between the two. Now, it's time for Leonardo AI to generate our t-shirt design. Remember, for t-shirt designs generation we would be keeping photoreal and alchemy option turned off. This will take less credits and you can generate a lot of images in the free option. Also, the dimensions would be 3x4, and the model that we would be using is Leonardo Vision XL. For the prompt, I have copy-pasted the same prompt that I used before. Now click Generate. It will take some time to generate images. As the images are generated, I realized that for t-shirt designs generation, Ideogram AI is far better than Leonardo AI. You can compare the result yourself. On the left side we have the image generated by Ideogram, and on right side we have the image generated by Leonardo. For Mockup Creation for Etsy, I have already downloaded a t-shirt mockup from Freepik. Next, open your t-shirt mockup PSD file in Adobe Photoshop. Once your mockup is open, you'll likely have a specific layer designated for the design. It might be called design layer or something similar. Double-click on that layer and place your design there. With your design in place, it's time to make sure it looks just right on the t-shirt. Use the transform tools to adjust the size, position, and orientation. Ensure that it fits seamlessly within the canvas. Now simply press Ctrl+S to ensure that your design is now part of the mockup file. As you can see on the screen, I have successfully added my design to a t-shirt mockup in Photoshop. This is great for showcasing the listings on Etsy. Now try to upload as many listings as you can on Etsy. Also upload those same design on Printify, my best go-to squad for print on demand. With that being said, connect your Printify to Etsy store. So, when a customer places an order on Etsy, Printify handles the rest. It automatically receives the order details, prints your design on the chosen product, and ships it directly to your customer. Honestly, I feel in print on demand, the quantity of designs you post will directly correlate to the number of sales you get. If you like this video, a subscribe to the channel would be great. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.